Updating your billing address on Pear Runtime is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is current. Step 1. Log in. Access the Pear Runtime website and log into your account using your username and password. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SRC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings menu, find the option labeled billing information or payment details. Click on this option to view your current billing address. Step 4. Edit your address. Look for an edit or update button next to your billing address. Click on it and enter your new billing address in the provided fields. Step 5. Save changes. After entering the new address, make sure to click the Save or Update button to confirm your changes. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your billing address has been successfully updated. By following these steps, you can easily keep your billing information up to date on Pear Runtime.